only shrimp. Okay. The clear soup, huh? You want the small shrimp or the liver prawn one? The liver prawn better. Small shrimp. No, not more. A little more expensive. Not more expensive. It's the way my dad cook. It's the way my dad cook.อ๋อตอนเย็นใช่ไหมมาไม่นี่น้ำเป็นทอดเลยค่ะว่าจะให้ดูว่าจะ
Interesting place, yeah? Crazy thing, you gotta order before you even get to the table. And then you come to the table with your order in your hand. And then you order your drinks after that. I've never seen that before. It's really, really slow. But the lady at the front desk speaks really good English. And she's a great sales lady. Just got a late arrival. I tried this already. It's a very unique leafy green with eggs. I've never had it before. I don't even know what the English name is. It's good. It's really, really different. A late arrival. spicy or not, I don't know. Rice is really small. That's good. And spicy. Really, really spicy. Fried pork. And a dipping sauce. That's really good. Oh yeah. It's a tamarind-based sauce. Spicy pork soup. A lot of mushroom. Oh, that's delicious. The pork is so tender. Oyster mushrooms. I don't know what the greens are. Looks like a tree leaf. Good, it's different. This is delicious. Very sour. Really, really sour. That's the best one. For sure. That is the best one. Out of 4. Okay guys, one last look around. All that food costs 1,024 baht, that's about $30. 4 dishes I've never had before. 4 very unique flavors for me. All good, some rather spicy. 2 out of the 4 were really spicy, but all really good. The rice was too small, but that was enough for all that food. And strange to have to order at the front, but it works for them. And I don't think they're going to change that anytime soon. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. It's beautiful here, man. It really is beautiful. And they got homemade ice cream and homemade cakes and stuff like that as well. I won't be trying those today. Maybe on the next visit.